So I don't have water here because I already fixed mine, but most likely for you, you still have water here and you have it on and it's not working. So how you can try to fix it, what worked for me was that first you put it off and then I will add a cup of water because most likely you have it there already. So for you it looks like this and it's not working even if you put it on. So what worked for me was I take this off and then there's this one. So take your lungs full of air and then just blow into it like this. And do it a few times and then it should work. And then you put it on and then I will add also more water when it starts working. And when you see the water here, you should do this process many times until the water gets clear here. If it has some small particles, then most likely the particles are the ones that blocked this one. So I hope it works for you.